Say guys, you have to try out this recipe. Did you hear what I said? You must try out this recipe. So I've diced my potato. I'm going to bake this in the oven for a few minutes until it's well soft. I'll be back. Okay, I'm just going to remove the fish and pour in the potato. No need to change the baking paper since it's fish. So I'll just pour it in. Paprika powder. So that is it. I'm going to bake. Let's check on it, guys. Woo! Look how it's bubbling, 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 bubbling. It's bubbling, guys. I'm adding a handful of green beans. So, few minutes. So, this is few minutes. Let's pour in our gizzards. Pour in our cabbage. Look at that, guys. I'm going to cover just a minute, guys. So here is the potato out from the oven, soft. So it's time to pour in the potato. Time to mix. And more onions. Want it to be crunchy, 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 crunchy.